Good morning, good morning. We're back at it. Gonna be an awesome day. It's gorgeous out here. I mean, man, it really feels like summer after yesterday and today. I'm gonna get confused when it gets freezing again. But hey, we're back at it. We're gonna have a little bit of a plastic rescue. We've got some end walls that got pretty beat up in the storm the last, those 2 days of wind if you're local. I had some plastic blown off of one of these tunnels when we first put them on here because I didn't recognize how windy it'd be down here. I mean, I knew how windy, but anyway, the system didn't work. I have a pile of wasted plastic over here, and we're gonna utilize that to replace tier 2 at the house, the end walls that got busted off of our big tunnels at the house, and yeah, we're gonna try to get that done, do a little bit of seeding with Kelsey that she's here today. I can get some cultivation around the garlic and the onions done, and the sides of it I wanted to put into cover crops last fall, and it just never came to be, and the weeds kind of grew up there anyway nicely, so I just thought it'd be all right. But yeah, time is here. Let's get that all taken care of, cleaned up, put into some proper cover crops. All right, our plastic pile wasted, not gonna be wasted. We're gonna recycle it today, and I got Kelsey with me today.
What's up, y'all?
Oh yeah, we're gonna rock and roll. Hoorah, wish us luck. I'm gloving up for this one. I won't cut you.
If you don't cut me, promise.
All right, we got one of them done at 35 feet estimated, so we need one to replace tier 2, and that's this piece. Thank you, Kelsey. Wrapping up that dirty mess. It smells really lovely, just know that. That's happening. I'm gonna get wet on this one. Well, this is the last task I got with gloves today. Yeah, good old.
Look at that.
Well, thank God we got that done. It's lunchtime, and we're deciding to go back to the farm and to get Kelsey going while I come back here, get this cultivation project done, and yeah, we're gonna hit it like that. All right guys, we're over here at the big tunnels across the field from my house and tier 1 nursery. I just wanted to show you what we're dealing with over here and what's going on. Got these end walls that blew off, and that's why we had to grab that plastic this morning. But hey, while this end wall's off, let's show you what we got going on. Got some fresh arugula popping up off over there. This kale we're saving for CSA next week. These 3 beds here, actually, I think we're just gonna gut them. So yeah, we're gonna open up 5 beds in here next week. That's sweet. And we'll come over here and we can catch Kelsey harvesting before she's finished, it looks like. you got going on in here? Tearing it up, I see.
It up.
Look at her go.
Wow.
Alright guys, I'm back. Ready to get these garlic and onions cleaned up, cover cropped on the shoulders, and yeah, I'm just ready to look at this with good and, good feelings. I hate when things just don't go my way, but at the same time when that happens, I learn a lot. So it's like, give and take. So yeah, a little before, pretty bad erosion. A little bit of overtaking by some bad weeds, but yeah, we'll get this cleaned up and it will be all better. I think I'm even gonna get the drone up for you guys on this one. Just finishing up this field cultivator around the garlic and the onions. I'm going over to second pass right now, just to really flatten it out nice, maybe bury some of these weeds that I just somewhat killed. And yeah, really excited to put some cover crop down on here. Like I said before, we're gonna put some mustard, yellow mustard here. We've got this ground worked up on either side of these onions and garlic. My sound went out here. I'm about to use the chest-mounted broadcast seeder to seed a cover crop of mustard. It's a really efficient tool for a small farm to use in small areas without a tractor. Here's my cultivation tractor. It's offset. Where are we at? Halfway? Alright, we started her the other day, so I'm pretty confident. I've actually never really had problems with this tractor start. Multiple flames! Alright guys, finished product. Now mind you, a lot of the weeds that you'll see still sitting here, and at least in the walkways, they just need to die off now because they've probably had their roots cut off, which is the concept behind cultivation. So yeah, I'm very excited about this. This looks phenomenal. So anyway guys, I'm gonna call it a day. Really appreciate you joining me. We did a lot in the last 2 days. We got, not all of our tractor work done, we got all of our cultivation work done, but we still have a lot of disking to do. I might whip out the plow because it's time to go on potatoes, and the disc has been a little delayed, and yeah, we need to get some ground worked up kind of quicker. We'll keep going and learning together, guys. I really appreciate you joining me on this little adventure as far as some tractor work this week. I've got plenty to do more, and I'll hit that on tomorrow. Have a beautiful evening, guys. We really appreciate you joining me. Thanks for your hard work. I love you. Sweet dreams.